Hello again, it's Noob, and today we get to look at this extremely cute little padlock here. This is a double shackle padlock that I assume is to take a chain and you put obviously the ends of the links through each shackle. I assume that's what it's for. The shackles are very, very thin. It's clearly vintage though, and small shackles like this were quite common. Some of the older locks like this were quite insecure. This was kindly gifted to me by Moki, the pick designer and maker extraordinaire, who I met at LockCon. So yeah, and it's made by, it looks like AMLO. I'm assuming it's a Chinese lock, and it does have a kind of cute little mechanism. Now, is it a high security lock? Absolutely not. Is it great? Well, yes, and that's one of the reasons I just love a hobby like this. It's little mechanisms like this. To most people, it's just a thing that you may or may not use throw in a drawer. But to me, it's little locks like this that just bring a little smile to my face. How does it work? Well, you open it with a, not even a quarter turn, an eighth of a turn, and the shackle will slide out both ways. So you can take the chain out from one side, and it doesn't drop that side, which is good. And then you put the chain out that side, and then this will slide back quite far. Then once it gets into the center position, you can lock it back up and it's locked in quite nicely. I mean, it's just one of those things that I don't know how to describe it, but if you are a bit of a lock picker, bit of a lock collector, it's little unusual locks like this that sometimes this really make your day. Right, shall we try and pick it? Now, I don't think that this is very secure. It looks like it has 4 pins, but yeah, it doesn't pick like it does. If I put the pick in, 2, 3, 4, it seems to have the pins in there. But, well, just watch this. So put some tension on, like that. Bit hard to do, but I don't think I'll need a vise. I'm just going to pull back on the pins. Pin 2, it felt like it's binding. Maybe I nudged it, and then pin 1. The front lifts up quite high, and there we go, open, and it goes to that eighth of a turn, and you can see that we've got full control of that shackle movement. So secure lock, not by pretty much any standards, a fun lock, one which I absolutely love having in my collection. Absolutely, what a little thing it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that very short video. If you did, leave a like. Any comments, leave them below. I read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And of course, I'll see you all next time.